Insight Edge segment, where we got a fair amount of insight on the business from the management itself. They're looking at 10% volume growth in the mattress business, 10 to 15% value growth in this business itself. Last year, the volume growth in the mattress business was just about 7%, with value growth a little higher. So overall revenue growth for this year, as per the company, could be anywhere between 15 to 20%. More specific was 15 to 16%. Spain business, which saw volume growth but not price growth last year. The company believes that the last 2 months have done well for them. Kurlon, the other acquisition that the company made, which will have synergies realized, they said that margins will increase to 10 to 11% from 7 to 8%. Even though there is some integration left in the front end of the business, back end has been completely integrated. The front end would be integrated by October itself. On the raw material prices, TDI, for instance, they have been pretty steady as well, hovering around that 200 rupees per kg mark. So there is stability. So that should work for their margins going forward. And what also should work for growth and margins on a very, very small base, premium mattresses which cost upwards of 20,000 rupees a piece, are growing at around 50 to 60%. So with all these factors, we would see business doing a lot better for Sheela Foam than what it had done in the last 1 year or so. So let's hear out what the management had to say to us, the insight that we got from the company's CEO, Rahul Gautam.
We are looking at close to 10% as a volume growth, and close to about between 10 to 15% as a value growth. Spain is we have a very small market share in a very large European Union market. Though the markets are shrinking and contracting there, but we are continuing to grow. Last year, we did see a drop in the top line, and that was primarily on account of the raw material prices coming down. Consolidation there would really bring about the increase in the bottom line and in the margins. So what was hovering more around 7, 8%, we expect that to go up to between 10 and 11%. And that integration has done well. Although we are not yet a year away from the transaction, and we are beginning to see those numbers in the bottom line.
Okay, all right. That's the word coming in from Sheela Foam. The stock higher by 3%. We'll slip into a short break. When we come back, we'll get you more on markets, and we'll get connected with Vayu Garware, Chairman and MD of Garware Technical Fibers, on the business outlook. Stay tuned.